Imagine walking into a car dealership and seeing an electric SUV that costs less than a mid-tier gas-powered car, but with all the perks of EV ownership, zero emissions, low running costs, and cutting-edge technology. That's the vision BYD is pushing forward in Australia and possibly beyond. With a legacy of disrupting traditional automotive norms, BYD's approach is shaking the foundations of how consumers think about electric vehicles. Join us today as we delve deep into how BYD's moves might revolutionize the EV market, particularly in Australia, and why they could represent a crucial moment for affordable electric mobility. The emergence of affordable EVs is transforming the automotive industry, with automakers vying to dominate a market that is rapidly evolving to cater to eco-conscious and budget-minded consumers. Among these innovators, BYD stands out as a pioneering force, set to reshape the EV landscape in Australia and beyond with its latest developments. The company's potential introduction of a sub-Dolphin electric SUV, possibly accompanied by a broader lineup expansion, has sparked widespread interest and speculation about its impact on the market. BYD has already established a foothold in the Australian market with its competitively priced electric vehicles. The introduction of the BYD Dolphin in 2023 marked a milestone, positioning it as Australia's most affordable EV at launch, with a starting price of $38,890 before on-road costs. This pricing strategy was pivotal in making electric vehicles more accessible to the average consumer. However, the competitive dynamics in the Australian EV market have intensified, with rivals like the MG4 and GWM Aura slashing prices to lure budget-conscious buyers. In response, BYD has recalibrated its strategy, reducing the Dolphin's price by $2,000 to maintain its competitive edge. But the real game-changer lies in its plans to diversify its lineup further by introducing smaller and more affordable electric SUVs, such as the Seagull, or Dolphin Mini, and the Yuan Up. This strategic move reflects BYD's understanding of shifting consumer preferences towards smaller, practical, and budget-friendly electric vehicles. The Australian EV market is evolving into a hotbed of competition. Automakers are not only striving to offer technologically advanced vehicles, but are also focusing on affordability to capture the largest possible share of an expanding market. For instance, the MG4 and GWM Aura have adopted aggressive pricing strategies, with the former offering select versions at $39,990 drive-away and the latter starting from $33,900. These developments have made the entry-level EV segment more competitive than ever. BYD's introduction of a sub-Dolphin model is a strategic response to this market evolution. CEO David Smitherman of EV Direct, BYD's Australian importer, has emphasized the importance of maintaining a balance between competitive pricing and protecting the brand's long-term integrity and residual values. This dual focus demonstrates BYD's commitment to providing value without compromising on quality or brand reputation, a critical consideration in the fiercely competitive EV space. The potential entry of the BYD Seagull and Yuan Up into the Australian market represents a significant milestone in affordable electric mobility. The Seagull, often referred to as the Dolphin Mini, is a compact electric SUV designed for urban environments. Its compact dimensions and lithium iron phosphate battery, with a capacity of up to 38.8 kWh, make it an attractive option for city dwellers seeking an affordable and efficient EV. The Seagull is expected to cater to consumers who prioritize practicality and cost-effectiveness without sacrificing essential features. Similarly, the Yuan Up is positioned as a compact SUV that offers affordability and versatility. In China, the Yuan Up is available with two battery options, 32.6 kWh and 45.1 kWh, providing a range of up to 401 kilometers. Its compact dimensions, competitive pricing starting at approximately $20,500 AUD in China, and practical features make it a compelling option for Australian consumers. However, the Yuan Up's lack of standard active safety features in its base model may necessitate modifications to meet Australian regulations, particularly with new safety requirements coming into effect in March 2025. BYD's ambitions extend beyond affordable compact SUVs. The company is exploring opportunities to cater to diverse market segments by introducing models that range from entry-level EVs to premium electric vehicles. For example, the Cellon 7, a mid-size electric SUV, is slated for launch after the Shark 6. Additionally, BYD is venturing into off-road and performance segments with models like the Fangbao U5, which shares its platform with the Shark 6 Ute. This diversification strategy underscores BYD's intent to address the varied needs of consumers, from urban commuters to adventure enthusiasts. Furthermore, BYD's sub-brands, such as Denza and Yangwang, are expected to bring additional options to the Australian market. These sub-brands could introduce vehicles that appeal to niche markets, such as luxury and off-road enthusiasts, further solidifying BYD's position as a versatile and innovative automaker. One of the key challenges BYD faces is balancing affordability with innovation. The company's focus on producing budget-friendly EVs has not come at the expense of technological advancements. For instance, its vehicles are equipped with LFP batteries, which offer several advantages, including enhanced safety, longer lifespan, and lower costs. These batteries are particularly well suited for entry-level EVs, providing an optimal balance between performance and affordability. Additionally, BYD has incorporated features such as adaptive cruise control, blind spot monitoring, and lane keeping assist in its higher-end models, ensuring that consumers have access to advanced safety and convenience technologies. By offering a range of trim levels, BYD allows consumers to choose a model that aligns with their budget and feature preferences. Australia's EV market is on the cusp of significant growth, driven by increasing consumer awareness of environmental sustainability and government incentives. While EVs currently account for a small percentage of total vehicle sales in the country, this share is expected to grow as more affordable options become available. BYD's efforts to introduce budget-friendly models like the Yuan Up and Seagull could play a pivotal role in accelerating this growth. The company's Australian distributor EV Direct has set ambitious sales targets, aiming to double its deliveries in 2024 compared to the previous year. Achieving this goal will require BYD to not only expand its lineup, but also address challenges such as charging infrastructure and consumer education about EVs. While BYD's focus on the Australian market is noteworthy, its ambitions extend far beyond. The company's ability to produce affordable EVs with competitive features positions it as a global contender in the electric mobility space. In markets where affordability is a key barrier to EV adoption, BYD's models could significantly lower the entry threshold for consumers. The company's global strategy also includes scaling its production capabilities and entering new markets with tailored offerings. For example, BYD's success in China has provided it with a strong foundation to expand internationally, leveraging its expertise in battery technology and mass production. BYD's approach to the EV market represents a paradigm shift in how automakers address affordability without compromising on quality or innovation. By introducing models like the Seagull and Yuan Up, the company is challenging traditional notions of what an affordable EV can offer. These vehicles are not just budget-friendly alternatives. They are well-equipped, reliable, and capable options that meet the needs of modern consumers. Moreover, BYD's focus on a diverse lineup ensures that it can cater to a broad audience, from first-time EV buyers to seasoned enthusiasts seeking premium features. This inclusivity is a testament to the company's vision of making electric mobility accessible to all. As BYD prepares to unveil its affordable electric SUV for Australia and beyond, the company is poised to become a transformative force in the EV market. Its commitment to affordability, innovation, and diversification positions it as a key player in the global shift towards sustainable transportation. While challenges remain, such as facing regulatory requirements and intensifying competition, BYD's proactive approach and strategic vision give it a competitive edge. The introduction of models like the Seagull and Yuan Up could very well be the game changer that redefines the EV market, making electric mobility a reality for millions of consumers worldwide. By focusing on affordability without sacrificing quality, BYD is not just meeting the demands of today's market, it is shaping the future of transportation. With models like the Yuan Up, they're showing they understand what customers really need, especially in places like Australia, where keeping things affordable is a big deal. People want electric cars, sure, but they don't want to break the bank to get one. BYD is hitting that sweet spot by offering something practical, budget-friendly, and reliable. If you're ready to see how the Yuan Up stacks up, stay tuned and make sure to hit that subscribe button for more updates on the latest EV trends.